Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it's about fashion. Yes. So, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's that little button right down there below. Just hit it, and right next to it is this magic little bell that if you ring it, then the next time I make a video, and after that, you'll be notified when I make a video. So, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It just makes my day when you go down there and you leave me a comment and you give me a like on this. This is just showing me that you support me, and my love goes out to you every time you do that, and I really appreciate it. So today, this is a little video that I've been kind of hitting at for a few times now that I was going to show you. So, and this is about, you saw the title, it is about how I go braless in the summer. So, here's the kicker, y'all. I'm in Texas, and okay, y'all in the rest of the world right now, you're kind of getting a taste of what we have all summer long. So it is, I feel for you because we live it. So, you know, I think turnabout's kind of a fair play. We got a little bit of winter weather this past February that y'all are used to that we are not. So, but it is what it is. So what we're going to be doing today, I want to show you the how I go braless in certain outfits during the summer, because it's just, I'm sorry, strapless bras are not comfortable. They have their place and their time. Now, I also, a disclaimer here, this is what works for me. And I will disclose too, I'm a 34D. I'm also almost 63 in like a week and a half. So, you know, gravity has done some things to me, which it's just part of life, and it is what it is. I've never had a boob job, never wanted one. Had a friend that almost died from having one. So, yeah, it was very toxic to her, and she has never been the same. So, but I've never felt like I needed one. But yeah, I mean, if I was to have surgery or something like that, I get a breast lift. But this is not about that. This is showing you how I go braless and how I feel comfortable going braless for myself. So if this helps somebody else, you know, hey, it's done its job. There is another, I'm going to link a video down below because I can't think of her name. I can see her face. Hate it when I do that. There's that 60-something mind. Yeah. When she has done, she did a wonderful video, but she did it for very, very large breast. So, but she does it with a strapless bra. So I'm cutting out that part of it. So, and what am I talking about? I am talking about the one I have is high O, if you can see that or not, high O, and this is breast lift tape. Now, it came with 2 rolls of tape, and it came with 10 nipple covers. Yes, I said nipple on YouTube. All right, so I can only think what my mother would be thinking if she saw me doing this. All right, so the little, just dropped them. So here's what the little nipples, nipple covers come with. They're a little round disc that are sticky on the outside of them. So it's almost like a Band-Aid type thing. So now, hint, 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 if you're really small, you can just put a couple of Band-Aid, like make an X with the Band-Aid and be done with it. So, unless you need some lift. That's what was I thinking? I shouldn't even have gone there. Okay, yeah. My daughter does that. I taught her that trick. She just wear a couple of Band-Aids on it. And she was like, oh, okay. Yeah, but she's at the size where she can do that. So I'm going to show you today how I use my breast lift tape. Now, I'm not going to do it on myself because I don't want to get kicked off of YouTube, but I do, and you see in my little videos, I have my little mannequin over here. So I'm going to show you on my mannequin how I do this. So if you want to see how I apply breast lift tape and nipple covers, stay tuned and we'll get started on it right away. Here's my little girl here, and I always keep some little pearls on her so she doesn't look quite so naked. So I'm just gonna place those down there. All right, so for the tape, all right, number one is you want to have tape that's as close to your skin color as possible, just in case it should show a little bit if you move or something. So unless, you know, if you're wearing a solid black dress, then you could do black tape with it. But for me, I just tried to get nude tape. So, and it comes in, I will put the links down below of what I'm actually using, and then I will put maybe some other links of some others that are out there as well. So first off, we're going to do the nipple covers. Now, because these are one time, everything is a one-time use. So remember that. So you would need two, of course. And since I don't want to waste these, what I'm going to do, we're just going to pretend, but I'm going to show you that there's a little separation of the paper, and so I'm just going to peel that off, and then I'm just going to place it on the nipple and then just smooth it down. So for all intents and purposes, we're going to pretend that I have done that. Now, you can also get, if you don't feel that these are, and it just depends on your own body and everything too. If you don't feel that these are thick enough for that area, you can buy, these are the ones, silicone cover-ups from Hollywood Fashion Secrets. They have a lot of great tools for us gals. But these are reusable ones. Come in a little pack like here that are silicone. And you can just reuse them and reuse them. So this is a little bit thicker than this one. So if you feel more comfortable with that, you could use something like this. And sometimes, you know, sometimes the outfit may just require these. I've done that. Just nipple covers. So, and a lot of women that, if they have done a breast lift or a breast implants, they will just wear these. It works. So, all right. What we're going to do here for the purpose of this, okay, this is it. This is the width that I use, and I think this is, I'm thinking it's 4-inch if I'm not mistaken. It's either 3 or 4. I think it's 3-inch tape, and you've got on the back of the paper, it feels like it's very thick, but it's the paper that's thick, is a little grid. So can you see that little grid on there? So you can cut it where you need it if you're trying to measure and everything. So, but the first thing you're going to want to do, let me back up here. For the purpose of her, because this is so small, what I have done is I've cut them in two, so it's a lot thinner. So, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure, and I put it back here, and I'm going to place it kind of like under and over, and then I know where I want to be, and then I cut it. So what I have done already is I have measured hers. So I've got 2 strips here, and typically I just wear 2 strips. You could do 3 strips or 4 strips if you feel more, if you need more support. So here's hers. So we're gonna, and what I did, because I'm gonna do it like that. Now, it's going to, when you take the paper off, you're going to have some give. It's going to stretch. You can stretch it a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and we're pretending she's got nipple covers on. Okay, I've got to get the tape off here. All right. And you don't want to take it all off at one time because you're going to lose control of the stickiness if you do that, because it's really soft here and very sticky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it underneath her arm, right smack there, and then I'm going to peel as I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under. She's got the nipple cover on, so I'm going to go underneath there, and I'm stretching and pulling it. You see? And then I'm going to go right over that nipple cover over here. And then I'm going to take it down and go under her arm. And so you could actually make it a little bit shorter because it went around a little bit too far. And it went up too much. So, but you can take it and readjust it if you need to. So yes, I could have taken that shorter right there. After you've done this a couple of times, it gets a little bit more easier to do. I'm trying to see if I can get her where you can see in the camera. So, okay. So the next one I lost. Oh, here it is. Got nipple covers falling all over the place. Okay. All right, so we're going to get the next one here. As I peel it off. All right, starting here. So what I'm going to do now is I want to come over from this side. Don't want it to peel off too much. I'm afraid my head's going to be, I'm just going to try and do it from in here. Stick it there. Go over that part there. So it looks kind of like a little strapless bra. It's coming to the end of the tape. And I cross it back over here. And back over. And there you go. Of course, I may have, hold on, let's see. I can get that up a little bit straighter. I'm trying to see this in the camera. But you're covering up that nipple cover there. There we go. So there she is. So that's it. That one seems to be a little bit higher. And what you can do, you just kind of, let me undo this. I'm just going to kind of arrange it there. So, but you get the gist of it. You can take more if you want. If you feel you need to be more secure, you can actually put a couple more layers on it if you want to. But you're not having it underwire. You're not having all of the tightness and everything. So, so yeah. So this is my little tip, my little trick on how I go braless in the hot summertime. So yeah. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've ever done this. I would love to hear it, or if you have any other ideas. So yeah, so this is the little video. So listen, what I tell you every single day, ladies, every single day, get up and show up, because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.